Ma-Anshan Middle Asia Machine Tools Manufacturer Company Limited is a high-technique corporation which set up in 2001 and locates in Bowang Industry Area in Ma-Anshan, Anhui, with developed transportation 25 kilometers away to the Lukou International Airport of Nanjing and 45 kilometers away to the Nanjing South Railway Station. The company occupies more than 63,000 square meters, registered funds 52 million yuan, has around 156 employees. Based on the modern management, the company manufacturing metalworking machine mainly produce hydraulic shearing machine, hydraulic press brake, and fiber laser cutting machine. These products are widely used in the area of mounts, shipbuildings, automobile, machining, military equipment, electrical, and steel construction. The company's machines with novelty design, reasonable price, reliable quality, and professional service wins the trust and praise of the customers at home and abroad. The products sell well in overseas market, Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East. The company set the goal of trying the utmost to satisfy customers, providing fast after-service on time to expand customer group. In the future, under the company's unremitting efforts, we'll speed up the formulation of trademark strategy, comprehensive upgrade the product's quality and scale, and improve the overall competitiveness. We warmly welcome both domestic and abroad customers to visit our company to guide and discuss